Yeah,
But you record every day. I'll check it up with your real then. 14, take one. That's we never assess. We are back.
we are back, my brother, we are back.
Manje siyasaba.
Hayi sasaba ukuthinta la. Hey, wathinta. Wathinta my brother. Otherwise you good my brother, good.
I wanna hear this thing.
You wanna hear? We sound good.
Yo.
Angiyakutshela. Sesilungisile lento manje finally.
Yo guys, it's been a challenge.
How many weeks konje? 2, ne 3?
2 weeks. I think it's 2 weeks. I get you released the
13, yeah.
The one.
Let's
do
the T. I'll go connect them. Voice note. Rude.
Voice note.
What's the boy? Let's do the tea. We back
So,
at it
automate
again,
mic.
man.
Like the
Man,
mic.
automate
Like the
yeah.
mic. Like
Oh, the boy, are we
Yeah,
on?
now we hear
We
you.
on?
Yeah.
Yeah, man, we are back. Everything is now. Even us here at the back, we are back.
yeah.
Njengomqolo boy.
Njengomqolo.
Hey, my brother. A lot has happened over the past weeks.
Bro, and imagine king uthi yazini i-prep yala amanye ama episode.
Yeah.
Ngidelethile.
Usafuna ukubuyela lapho?
But like there was like izinto ezi important kuthi namanje sase relevant.
We move.
Okay.
We move my brother. Ukapha yini awukho prepared namhlanje?
Hayi, mina.
Ngiyakwazi. Futhi umkhosi.
Njayami yabona mina masiyobhala exam bekuyilezi ukuthi ntango yazi ukuthi siciphe sikhona. Prepare.
Sakazi.
Ngiyadlala.
Uyazi expose. Mele ba investigate lapha elondeli hayi mntwana mele ba
siyabona mate.
Hayi my brother you exposile na.
No, my brother. Mara yeah. I'm always prepared. You know me.
Yeah.
But indaba eshushubizayo. Should we start with like international matters or local or?
Cala la ufuna khona baba. Cala la ufuna khona.
I think there's a lot that's going on. Apparently, Trevor Noah is stubborn. Allegedly.
Ntwana. Sifike kanjani lapho?
Ngicela noma allegedly.
Okay, my brother ka vya la khale. Uma uyazi ngitheni ngaphandle sikhulumile lento ngaphandle njobe benihambile yabo. Ngithe uba noma ziyoshanga le walk layer o straight wena. Yazi wakhe Trevor Noah.
Wait, ngiringile ngayo.
Yeah, siringile la ngaphandle ngayo. Maka like in passing, yeah. But so apparently okay. Allegedly.
Nicki Minaj says so, and this comes after.
After the Grammys.
After the Grammys.
No, obvious. Mara mhlambu Trevor kamdlangu Nicki, that's why. Mara nami I would also not. I would never fuck Nicki dog. Yabona nkarwa lukula nyana. Ngiyadlala.
I'm happy ukuthi there are no subtitles.
Yeah.
Because that, my friend. Yeah. No supporting that.
Ngiyadlala. Mina ngangithatha serious.
Uthi uya alleger man.
Yeah.
Ngingangithatha
serious mina bafethu.
Guys.
Yo, done. It's been yeah.
Like it's been crazy.
Yeah.
It's been crazy dog.
And as khona umuntu ngibuza question during the week ne. Angithandanga le question ngoba enganayo answer yayo.
Come on.
But give me if you had 50k.
Okay.
What would you do with it? Like ungayenzani ngayo to better your life? And I mean if 50k ngibona incane mina. Ngibona incane.
Stanza that.
Bekuhlazi.
Awufethu. But yazi okay, sharp. If you are being realistic.
Yeah.
Like 50k bra. I don't want to lie, ne? It's not. Ningabe offended guys. I would think nah. But like in hindsight, nale economists phila kuyo. Like I don't think it's enough 50k bra. 50k ngayiqeda within hours.
Hours ne.
Yeah, within a day.
Ngisho kanjalo kulo yasisi and she was like you're not serious with your life. Engayifila ntwana.
But then there are business ideas ongawaqala. Ungathenga inkukhu.
Uzithengisa phi?
Uzifuye. Angithi okay, oh shit, actually uzozibeka up. Okay, let's say resident unayo. Uthenga inkukhu, uzifuye kwakho. That's a business idea.
Inkukhu e125 rand la.
Una 50k uzothenga ingaki?
100.
Uthenga
imbuzi. 100.
Uthenga imbuzi mali 5k.
Okay, asenze sone.
Besides imbuzi yentombazane yomfana 3k na? Say 3. Yombuzi yomfana.
Imbuzi e1 boma 4 mas. Imbuzi mas boma 4000 malini.
Uthenga yentombazane yomfana.
Bese zona zizo
take care ziyameter just as food. Their business ideas. So ukuthi thina singama motherfucker.
Ayimfuyo mfana. Imagine having to smell like embuzi every day dog.
That's the problem ngintwana zase Eastern. That's the problem ngintwana zase Force. Nina i-lifestyle nokuba fresh nokusmela fresh nongafuni.
You smell like embuzi every day. Ungayimela lento le.
It's your money. Ufuna imali?
Now uyavuma jam.
Don't you want money? Oh, dog.
Yeah.
Okay, what would you rather do? Unuke njengembuzi every day
Yeah.
or ube billionaire njengo Jeffrey Epstein wenza izinto outrageous?
Ngono ngibe uyu Jeffrey Epstein ngizenze outrageous.
Wena sakuthini. Do you know
Nyadala.
Do you know ukuthi
Wenzani my brother njengoba
I have a whole
Okay, castile la ubani loyo, what does he do? What's going on?
shit, I don't have that. Can you guys please Google it and then everyone to touch the mic and then us explain it.
Yeah, explain to us what
does
does Jeffrey
Jeffrey Epstein good Epstein.
Epstein.
Uzositshela.
Uyakuphi umuntu
Then I
lo?
have the right definition.
Owakuphi umuntu lo?
America Fede, like he's one of the richest people in the world. I think the most richest person in the world.
Uhlula no Aliko Dangote.
Ban lo.
You don't know Aliko dog.
Bra, don't land
That's the richest African, too. Like
okay.
that guy's rich, like rich.
Yeah, but Jeffrey Epstein dog is crazy, and he's a child molester, sex trafficker.
Oh, so he probably
like,
yakida. Oh.
There's a lot. Marcon to sitshela ukuthi ubani kahle according to Google.
Is it alleged or?
No, it's there because now there are like files that are released.
I went.
Guti like begayenza now one Donald Trump. Donald Trump is
President
educated.
Donald Trump,
dog.
Mara Donald Trump is always
the
in
big
these
names.
scandals.
Jay-Z is also there.
So basically, this guy's like Puff Diddy on malimo or malening.
Joe, yazi injane. Crazy part.
Yeah.
Ne? Crazy part.
Ufundisa Puff Diddy. Oh, okay.
Puff Diddy is not even mentioned, not even once
Da.
in those files. You know why?
Na yayenza lento.
Yeah, it's like they're competing. They're competing on my island. You like Joe.
Ngathi ngiyabona. Cabanga sengikhophisa ukuthi izolo bengikhiphe na boy like what?
Imini solo benginabantwana abayi6.
Dog.
Okay, that ain't sensitive, ne?
Yeah, it's
really
not a joke.
sensitive
It's not a
because,
joke,
like,
guys. It's not a joke.
In hindsight, gents, ne?
Yeah.
And ladies, like this guy, tata bantwana abancane, like.
So basically, he was Michael Jacksoning it.
Yes.
Mara in
What's this word for it?
pedophile.
Yeah, he's a pedophile. Yeah.
Yes.
So like, hey, bro, this guy is being
Ita nasiphumile kule ndaba. Yabona ama pedophile ndaba
Yeah, mara fanele
baningi labo.
Wait, what?
Ama pedophile.
Madingi, but when I was ingaki?
Hayi, yabona sifuna name call manje.
I don't name drop.
Hayi baba,
Sure yini?
we are not there yet. Cabanga sebasuka sina ama subscribers 70.
Yeah, Joe, like, hey, Joe,
yo.
the dog, hey.
Niyamthola lo muntu bafethu or yeah, you can have the mic and tell us what it does and
Switch on the mic.
Yeah, switch it on first, yeah.
The mic is on.
she yakhumbula le.
Voice note it.
Yeah, nangu voice note uzoshela
Voice
ukuthi
note,
uJeffrey
switch it on,
uyenzani.
and then
Switch
bring
it
it
on
close to
and
you,
then
ne?
yeah, bring it close to yeah. Just read it out. Sigmele nesis.
Okay, so in 2005,
To you.
Yeah.
Answer.
Yeah.
in 2005,
Oh yeah.
police in Palm Beach, Florida, began investigating Epstein after a parent reported that he had sexually abused her 14-year-old girl daughter. Federal officials identified 36 girls, some as young as 14 years old, who he had allegedly sexually abused. He then pleaded guilty and was convicted in 2008 by a Florida state court of procuring a child for prostitution and soliciting a prostitute. He was convicted of only 2 of these crimes as part of the plea deal agreed by the US Department.
Wait. He was only convicted of 2
Yes.
out
Okay.
of all these
Out of
allegations.
36.
Wait.
Out of 36.
Nina ngiyanibona niba serious ngalento ne sicaleni phansi. Konke engizwile lapha ne. Lo muntu rape i prostitute. Rape makhosha.
Jeez, bro.
I don't know what
Into
soliciting
engizwile
means.
mina.
I don't know what
Soliciting.
soliciting means. What does
Soliciting a prostitute, that means you rape a prostitute. How do you do that? Asicaleni phansi.
that mean? Because you didn't pay her.
Izinja.
Yeah, umrepile if I
Ufuna
come
ukuba ile out ngiyadlala ngiyadlala.
So apparently,
Wait.
allegedly,
Yeah.
even thingy, Jacob Zuma is
Yeah. Part of the list.
part of the files. Yeah.
Wait,
Wait, he's implicated in the film.
Yes.
Maro Jacob uyambona ukuthi akaba grade these days. Mhlambe yeah, okay,
I promise you, like so many big names.
Wait, ngicela check
Donald
ukuthi how many South Africans are implicated?
Yeah.
Yeah, I think that would be interesting.
Yeah. Hey, don't have to minimize my brother. Mara fade.
If you mean, oh, you can't.
Are you also you still searching ne? Mina ngithi la uthi ngirepe uMakhosa.
So needs
I
really
see.
ukuthi thini
Soliciting a prostitute means
to the mic.
awungizwa kahle.
Yeah, now you go.
Is
The
Jacob
first
Zuma.
person who pops up is Jacob Zuma.
And ngale nkaza 2005 vele. So uZuma okay wait, umyenzeni uZuma njengoba?
Uzuma went to the island.
So the Peru has a island.
He has a private island where he where he kept bonka bantwana.
You
And then do they fly in or bahamba ngeskepe?
Joe, I don't know.
They fly
probably
in.
like
Yeah, wena. Hayi zinje. Eh ubani lo. There's a noise
it doesn't
outside.
seem like anybody else is
Close there.
is implicated in here. Just him, just Jacob Zuma.
Oh, that's
Oh,
the
there's a
biggest
phone.
name
Oh, there's
in
a
South
phone.
Africa. Okay.
That's why what?
That's the biggest name.
In South Africa.
Yeah.
Oh, mhlawumbe nabo tulipongolo babuya lapho.
So can I address something? Guys, ne ama voice ayadonseka and yadistorteka. So asikaya name chance ukuthi sikhulu. You understand it's interesting, but
So lo puti lo repe mina ngisase lapho.
hey Joe.
Maybe
Urepe.
prostitute because even if you're gonna pay her, ne? If she said no, she said no.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying.
So umrape.
Hayi zinje.
Yeah.
Urepe umuntu ophana ngale nto le.
Chaba.
Hayi zinje. I'm not saying it's a good thing. Don't get me wrong, man. Mara you did that, dog.
Joe.
Shit.
When I rape noma ngathiwa na ngiyibhatalele that.
Noma sengakubhadala okusalayo. Like that's fucked up, dog.
Yeah, guy.
Okay, I
like
know.
he's the
Angicela sidlule kuye ne, ngicela-
like he's the epitome of fucked up.
Fucked up, Ntwana. Mara, I think that's one thing that happens to you when you have money, Ntwana. You become the most fucked up nigga you can find in the society. Or wrong, bafethu, I understand. Mo nemali, abantu abanemali babenza lento lezi ntanga. You'd never find them lungis in the hood. Athi ngisayo rape uMakhosha like come on, dog.
Kokuqala uMakhosha yomceba kuVusumuzi. Ukuthi phela bawusumuzi.
You had to go there, ne?
I had.
I feel it,
Mara, we
Ntwana.
move.
So uthi uvusa nini umuzi Ntwana? Ngiyazi abantu ufile nto kavusa umuzi ne. Someone mentioned it.
Vusimuzi Cat Matlala.
Sekukhetha matlala.
Oh,
Lento
asikhathi la.
lento kuvusa umuzi yazini ukuvusa umuzi mfethu.
Eyokuzala
Yeah. Gents, when are you vusing umuzi, my gents? Like,
on blast.
and amajita la akekho umuntu onencosi la. This guy's like October, baba. King, are you expecting that?
Wait. Oh, it's up. Yeah, cool.
Aju bana emanyana babayiza shelter drip emaho.
Says the guy who's wearing a whole t-shirt.
Voice
Oh, you're
note.
wearing a t-shirt, yeah,
Switch it
whole.
off now when you're done. Switch it off.
Is it off?
Is it off?
Yeah, I must have
Please
to check
check
there.
it, Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah,
So Ntwana says the person who's wearing skippers paleho.
So,
We
like-
understand. House of Embedded. Is it a brand owned by who? Embedded.
Embedded.
Oh.
Singalishe.
Where is it from? Anyakwazi. Oh, it's from PTA. Oh, so guys, apparently, okay, siphume lapho. Yeke isilungu Ntwana. Yamkhumbula you were around Mahlathi. Kana semte. I even forgot what details.
Bothi ngitshela ngoVusumuzi. Oh, buza amajita.
Yeah, uvusa umuzi ukuthi like uvusa nini umuzi because people think uvusa umuzi is just a word and it's not angithi there's a meaning. Mara ke on a lighter note my brother, I know wena nomgusi wakho come with them cause sekela abo Jeffrey ba fucked up.
Did you see the video that was trending of le family le abayingenele endlini while they were
Having a party.
Yeah.
They're preparing for the party. I saw that.
surprise party, but
So bangene ngizobashaya angazi bashaya bani ngempama la.
she
During
got
the
a
video.
surprise slap.
Boku Mrs. Party loy or Mr. Party babamshaya ngempama.
The surpriser.
Mara bamshaya ngempama.
Yafele bamdabulile. Ejo, yazi abantu banesibili.
During a surprise party mfethu.
Jo.
And ask I'm surprised umuntu mela surprise.
Uyofika athole surprise.
That was fucked up Ntwana. That was fucked up. But did you see that?
Fucked up.
Ehlatsi, did you see that? Mahlatsi busy yo. Akho nto ngiphendula.
Yeah, wena namhlanje. Yeah.
Simkhipha on his toes.
Siyabonga. Nathi serious. Like we've been working to get this kind of sound.
And my yo. It's
Like,
going good.
It's going
Everything
good. So far,
normalized,
so
la,
good,
yeah.
ne?
But then,
Is it recording, my
yeah,
brother?
it is, boy, it is. As long as I send the red button, let's go back to
Let's go.
ama headlines, mfana ne.
Headline.
Amapiano is still dominating globally, fed.
Okay. Globally.
Globally.
Okay,
Yeah, it's on.
nice. Amapiano to the world.
I'm artist way to they are pushing heavy in Europe and UK tours. I'm not sure about which artists, but then right now most artists that's why singana we wanna know Paradise vandag babize u PC no way kuphela.
Okay.
Athi
do you
PC
mean?
konje bani Justin 99 no way kuphela.
Okay, what? Okay.
Ama
what team?
local.
Oh, that's why we don't have.
Which Justin 99 ke waya UK or anywhere.
Oh,
A couple of times.
Wait, yeah, I think
Not-
no
not-
PC by.
Bafike bathi iphelile phela lento le ukhathele la Justin.
Wait, what happened? Vela basa perform bonke.
I don't know about UPC. I know UPC mhlawumbe ukuthi ugain weight angazi.
Dog.
Usazokwazi ukwenza ngasona umkhaba wena. I'm just
yabona sibuyela lento yokuthi nathi sofana njengabontwana ababody shame uthathwa heart. So let's not do
that was not right. That
You
was not right,
understand? Let's not do that.
And ababona
It's
abambody shaming,
26.
abamshamile. There's a difference between body shaming and shaming, man.
Explain.
Bakhulume ngayo yonke into like wrong ngayi.
Oh,
That's the
that's
thing.
why bebuhlungu.
Yeah,
Shame, man.
They had
Mara
to-
sikho la sinamkhumbula.
Yeah,
Yo,
yabo
yo,
nation
yo,
done.
ngathi uzobukela.
But then and then
Mara-
so into bengisayisho
Ihope.
Justin uthorile mara not that hayi akathoranga njengalaba abanye
Mara abantwana they
brother,
had
the voices
like
that side.
intontwana yo.
voices bazokala
I don't think so.
oh okay
But hey,
angisayithembi
that's to be safe.
angisayithembi
Yeah.
le sound yeah but then Justin doesn't tour as much as Uncle Wafulzi Kabza
I was
Maphorisa.
watching is it no episode what's this man, this podcast new gen bayenza unto
Ingitsheni le yakanotha ne
yeah Justin 99
okay
apparently Untwana is a gamer, so I think maybe
Yeah,
like,
Justin is a gamer.
Untwana I think she's playing
remember we spoke about Warzone
yeah
he's on Warzone nabo NSTC nabo bani badlala bonke la nabo Casper acted gay last week lapha ku Warzone but fail
wait wenzeni
khona comment eyenzile lapha yana
unewozone kanti
nah ngithi I watch ama game
Oh,
online
lama-
yeah lama video ama
podcasts.
reels
Okay,
yeah no guys we do watch other podcasts yabo so
yeah, we do
ningasimangaleli
actually. So it's all information from Mama Podcast wenu because we support you guys and like
and our support on that note last week besinama influencer
I mean, come on. Now we have something to talk about. What's the code?
okay content. Okay.
you did it for the content asiyabonga boy mara into
sibonga.
that's one thing I wanted to speak about vela this week ukuthi like there's this thing esenkwarini le ukuthi we try to help abochiri aba in distress because right now thina besiblome grand da
Yeah,
siphume enkwarini we are happy too
kakhulu.
everyone is drunk and then next thing Mahlathi is like hey ntwana this lady here because he told me when he was leaving yeah he told me I was standing with Mahlathi vele ntwana this girl here needs some help fede ereke muthuse I'll come back I'm like fede be safe boy if anything happens come back we are still here ntwana goes hey mina ngimangene sekabuya ntwana sicima level dog I'm like hey Mahlathi you can't take Mahlathi serious isho kanjalo sicima level dog I'm like hey what's going on dog
Yeah.
ntwana ngibona upuso naye sekachajile ntwana
Vele soke charge ntwana. I
Yeah,
remember
bon.
vele mina ngivele ngazi I had to ask again ukuthi ehlekenzakala.
Kambani yeah
Ntwana wangishaye ngebaba ntwana. Ngishayile dog they slapped me dog.
mina ifike yathi sicima level ngiyabona sicima level
Sengipompa amakhala lapha.
yabona so
Asifika lapha ya.
majida balekile so into engikhinyana leyo ukuthi now we can't even enjoy ukuya enkwarini because of into ezinjalo because now we're going to go out as ama-gents sithi we're going to have fun as a team next
No.
thing we have to fight people dog
Amajita. What's the sweet?
nazo is it English oh
Yeah, it's English as well. Like bayenzeni? Like
bayabheda
if awubhebhanga isikhathi eside.
oh salt
Yeah, basolti.
basolthi boy
Amajita
Grof salt.
release like gents.
but then that's the
please
problem
go
that's why we go to the inquiries
Yeah,
and
no.
so now I go
Bona
to the
bayarelease
inquiry
wrong.
yeah that's the problem
You understand?
yeah
I-release yabo, you don't have to involve heads.
Yeah,
guys.
ish.
Be friends, siringe, talk shit out. I understand. We don't need
Ungibuze
ukuthi
ukuthi
manje
kuhambeni.
sesibambana
Yeah,
ngeng-
yeah.
Kuyini, guys, like you have a future now we
sesiyalwa manje the
It's not
next
today.
thing
mara wena ushaya uhlathi T.
asiyeza
Uthe,
Aha.
he wants the beef.
I
if
said,
beef
we
iqalile
outside, dog.
We outside, dog.
Lalela mfethu, we outside. Shushubiza mfethu. Ah.
Hey, bruh.
Shushubiza anyakwazi phela wena iza
Wait,
nomkhosi.
ufuna mina ngitshele.
Come with
Oh,
something. Whoa.
Hey, bruh, like there's a lot that happened. Hey, yeah.
During the week, ne?
Oh, another sad international thing that happened, bruh. Umntana ka-Gaddafi got assassinated as well, bruh.
Gaddafi.
Yeah, Muhammad.
Lo wala eAfrica.
Yeah.
Ufuna neAmerica.
What's
Beka kuphi? Bamasinisi.
Ntayi
Olagang,
lo?
Mahlatsi.
Muammar Gaddafi, yes.
Yeah, Gaddafi lo qinile ebusweni lo.
Umntanakhe was also running for president and then he got assassinated as well.
Oh,
Bro,
babone
that's
angithi an apple doesn't fall far from the tree.
This
So
was-
babone ngathi uzofana naye.
That was it.
And
bruh.
apparently
Sad.
untwana beka dictator mas.
The kid.
Oh. Gaddafi.
No, but like
Bekane
ideology
propaganda. So
bruh, what?
bekane propaganda.
Sure, but inking Muti, he was doing it all for the Africans. Do you know which Begafina?
Yeah.
What was his main aim?
Okay, what was the main aim in Ntwana?
To create a United States of Africa. I want the way United States of America are corner using one
It's
currency.
not united.
Yeah,
Okay, fair, yeah.
but like
Asians are being exploited. Mara
Yeah.
fair, yeah.
he wanted to do the same with African countries. So,
So
Africa
Begafuna-
yonke besoba no one currency,
Yeah.
one movement, one culture. Okay, not one culture, but like besoba into one.
Mara yena he
This
was
was
forcing
some-
it. That's the problem.
Yeah.
It was forceful presidency. That's the thing.
Okay, but I dictate.
Yeah. That's why ngithi bekane
To achieve
propaganda.
such, how can you achieve such in democracy?
Oh, Ntwana, form ama-alliance njengama UN nama-BRICS nani. Talk to your presidents. Don't involve other
No, bruh. The thing is, abantu assassinated is not even the Africans, bruh.
abobani.
It's the Europeans. The people that were threatened by
Labantu
the ideology.
basacolonize namanje. Basacolonize labantu namanje vena.
Dog, in that dialogue, I don't know. No, I don't think so. Colonization, dog.
Oh.
I can say, oh, did I tell you? I told you this last week. Afghanistan,
Classy.
slavery is now legal. They legalized the into slavery. Dog.
No, we spoke about that last week. And the country joking ishayile ne mara angeke ngisayishaya ngoba angeke salenda. So slavery si legal in leyo country. Okay, asicaleleni phansi. Asicaleleni phansi ne. Asicaleleni phansi. So I'm allowed to have slaves. Kuleyo country leyo iphi country leyo?
Afghanistan.
Oh,
brutal country.
yazwa bafuna ama-slave. Yazi ama-slave one. Silenda to the T. Otherwise, no, yacaba kwenzakalani nganti ama-slave ne. Bafuna abantu abazokhona ukubathumela, abazokhona ukubathumela kulama bombings wabo. Phela ama slave sami ngiyagaya ibhomb ngena kulendlu leya. So I think that's where it stems from. Because abantu laba abasangeni voluntarily ukuthi I want to bomb myself.
Oh, bayaba forced. If you don't do this, I'll kill you.
So mangabe uyi-slave, no. You don't have a choice.
Get you.
Yeah, you lay your life for me, uncle. Yeah,
Crazy, ne?
crazy.
But coming to more domestic news.
Asinazi into ezifana namhlanje mfethu.
Bro.
Okay, come with the domestic.
Kabza is small.
Nazo
Our goats.
izinja.
We don't like talking about bad things about you, our goats. But
Wenzeni manje?
apparently, Kabza is being sued for forging POP, rent state, rent yakhe, proof of payment.
Proof of payment. Yazi ngisafuna lo POP ntwana.
Dog,
Ungibonile ne?
catch on.
Da ngisafuna lo POP
Catch
ntwana.
on. Dog.
So untwana wenzeni akabhatalanga?
Let me get the story quick. Kabza the Small could be arrested for fraud after producing an alleged fake POP. Kabza has been accused of not paying rent to his Sentin penthouse, my dog.
Yeah, fitela penthouse vela ngithi.
True, I mean, young
Ngihamba
inspire.
ngemoto eziright yo.
He allegedly missed payment from September to December before moving out to another penthouse within the building. Maroke, dog. So,
Ngesikhathi igcwalisile.
thank you. So,
Siyabonga Hlatsi.
akapatal, let's say, akapatal la, phakathi la. And then uyohlale next door. Ushiskoloto la.
Izinja. Oh, mara I don't think they will arrest untwana. Let's go back to that ne. Semzansi lapho. Khet Matlala has
think they'll talk it out.
Khet Matlala nama crime engakhi no?
But do you, wait, so zalap.
I know, I want to make an example ezobuya kule nto le. I'm digressing.
While we had it, ne? Voice note. voice notes.
ngicela usisheshele
Voice note,
lapho.
female voice note. Please search key factors, current factors ne as a Madlanga Commission.
Yeah, ukuthi current
Yeah,
factors.
current affairs of Madlanga.
Yeah, because unama case engakhi no pending amanye saka guilty.
Maso already usitshele ne,
Yeah.
and then you tell us. But coming to cabs at all,
Yeah.
ne? Do you know how much was the penthouse per month?
Boma 50, 100.
You jumped. It's 95k per month.
Yeah, between 50 and 100. Yes, it makes sense.
September, October,
Ingakanani le
November,
penthouse?
December.
Don't you have a picture of the penthouse? Ngiyishekela yona.
Ile building bavele batshengisa nje building
A building.
Yeah.
Where is it?
in Sandton, dog.
Cause bakahlala sentini.
Joe, which is my local record again. Just
Sandton?
I was like, shit, that don't think nangisusa Alex. Maybe
Eh,
Kelly.
no, Alex,
Alex
yo.
Midrand. I thought he was.
Bekase midrand angithi in the beginning. Ahlala ekasilela kaMapurisa. Remember they were neighbors noMapurisa.
Yeah, oh, okay.
Yes, they were neighbors. And then next thing ukabza, kusho ukuthi ukabza movie.
Yeah, he moved out.
Oh, that's why uphura sekaphuma kumapiano.
Athi uyagwa. No, wafethu uyawa Afro House.
No, no kofaya.
Oh my
Oh,
God.
no
Mina
kofaya.
lo appreciate.
Alinga appreciate mo kupiano ngilona.
I appreciate.
Le yangishaya. Le yathanda uku-appreciate leya. Let's come with the news yeah.
We voice note yeah, ngiyavuma.
Okay. So
Everything's on? It's on, yeah.
the Madlanga Commission of Inquiry is currently continuing its public hearings into allegations of corruption, political interference, and criminal syndicate influence within South Africa's criminal justice system. Recent developments include testimony and scrutiny involving senior SAPS officials and organized crime-related witnesses, with some delays caused by the legal processes and safety concerns. The commission is expected to uncover key evidence that could lead to arrests, disciplinary action, and major reforms in law enforcement and prosecution. So the part with the senior SAPS officials, it's about this lady, I forgot her name. She was dating Oket Matlala, but she claims she never even used any of her power in the SAPS to help.
No, he's more relaxed. Like Ingoma's Dala.
Yeah.
Fun.
Mara-
Chezi, like, oh, smooth.
But then one thing I always noticed about Mtune, he always does this. Uzokushaya nge-album elirelaxile, come back ngamabenga. Ubheke before the end of the year uzoshaya into efana nezone 8. Eshaya enye into nje isibani. Yangithola.
Okay, le album after the album Set Generations le Green.
The Vault,
ne?
the Vault.
the last one.
The Vault Deluxe.
Bekonje bephethe liphi?
Set Generations.
Oh, yilo le
Yeah,
green, ne?
Deluxe,
Oh, yeah,
Deluxe.
ile lephethe
The Vault le
HS8.
green. Yeah.
my
Exactly,
favorite
man.
song.
Mara HS8 I understand how uyazi kanjani because ngike ngayidlala se White House.
This is song, that's why I'm saying that's
It
my
was
favorite
way
song.
before
Oh,
they
yakudala?
keep. Yeah.
Oh.
We recycle in this game, my brother. Kabza does this, mas.
That was a nice name.
Ukabza unokushaya number vandag. Isetini lakhe. Thina ama lock tune collector sesinalo.
Oh,
You'll keep after 4 years.
You telling me?
You'll
okay,
keep
nah,
up 4 years late.
Let me be that guy that will
Four years late. We'll keep up album mina ngoma ezi28. And another thing ngifuna ukukhuluma ngayo iyo le.
Yeah.
Hayi mapiano artist angeke.
Skip el album la 30
Ah, ntwana.
But lento let talk they've been discussing about it.
You know what's the
It's
thing, man?
Kelvin dog.
No, Kelvin and I know why he was doing it.
Kelvin zokuthumela ngabantu asingakhulumi ngayo.
Oh yeah, you saw that?
Asingakhulumi ngayo.
Hey!
Ngiyasaba mina.
Hey ntwana.
No, Nathan.
Amara mina
don't
nabang basabi oh nyarasa ne. Yehlisa volume,
Let me listen.
Yeah. No, mina my voice is loud vele. I
Yeah,
think
your voice
mina
is
naso kumele
really
shintsana ngama mic vele hayi.
Mine is not that loud.
Yeah, but then uKelvin.
Eyami le ndoda yasebusuku ndoda like baby come here. Hlokwa.
Yabona isikhathi if besithi 1 hour ngabe ngiyakushiya la ntwana. Yabona if besithi 1 hour ngabe ngiyakushiya la.
Sorry ke ngevoice yakho deep.
Oh, wenzani manje? Phela sina sifuna ukufana nabo Barry White wenzani? Mama Barry White mase ngathi oh baby. Yeah, practice what you preach my brother. Yeah. Yazi leya maqala ingoma, leya ingoma eqala ngathi akusuwe. Oh baby, ngithi hey, nami ngichameke sibali, ngithi wenzani? Bese masakatuna ngathi akusuwe le ekhaya man. Iyo le akuberinga le. Na.
Hey, bro.
Asithubeke no. What I'm saying about lento le yabo Kelvin nabo banibane. We have our own platform to say whatever we want to say.
Okay.
So if you find it offensive or whatnot, come to me direct. Talk to me. No, talk to me.
Yeah.
Because
Sure.
ntwana you can't be
That's
speaking about me
that's-
kanje. Ungithumela ngabantu. Uthi abantu bekathukile same day ntwana.
ndo
Makanyana into ayimbi leya.
wena bozowenza njani? It was 4-1.
Amara nayo. Mina yazi bengizomshayela.
Wait, what did you say? Hayi bro.
Uthi akhe bengizomshayela into eyi-1. Kuzo I like.
Ntana ngicela wena ntana
Okay, let's move on. Let's move on. Let's move on, bro. Let's move on. Ngoba ngiyazi vele ngeke ngisaqeda. Uyayazi le ntwana leya. Ikhuluma kakhulu, ikhuluma kakhulu. Nami ngithi ngisengifana noMahlatsi, I'm outside.
There's no cutting, there's no what.
There's no cutting, there's no what, my brother. We are rolling.
Are we rolling, my brother?
My brother, are we still rolling? Are we still rolling, Hlatsi?
There's no cutting.
Baba, you have a mic there. Don't talk to us ngathona mic.
Ndo.
Isihloniphe
Wenza
mfethu.
ngathi siyahlupha
Hayi, isihloniphe asihlupheki mfethu. Upgrade mfethu.
kakhulu.
Today there's no cutting, boy. We're rolling.
Siyabonga my brother,
Wire,
siyabonga.
wire, wire.
Slenda uzobulisa mfethu. Yasigcina idala kanjani?
Nayi Mike.
Nayi Mike.
Ayini Slender.
Ungaveli ecamereni, angithi awusafuna uvela ecamereni wena. Hayi imic iyayikuzwa. Hayi yazini. Lo nyaka savela.
Ushayi.
Ushayi bekahleli nathi last nini. Oh.
Awenge mtshengisi. Wow.
Ntwana wait, there's khona into engifuna sikhulume ngayo ne. Before ngiyikhohlwa ngoba ngayikhohlwa la ngeke siphinde sikhulume ngayo. Yazi mina siqalela phansi. Ama gig economy ecava mas. Ama gig lawo soshaya ama so DJ nani. Ama gigs.
Okay, gigs.
Economy yakho ishiftile boy.
In which sense?
Ama brands no so abhadala ama content creator ukudlula ama DJ no.
Ama brands abhadala.
Ama content creator more than DJs.
Because-
As a DJ yabona ukabza ne. Ukabza I per gig per hour. Plus minus 100k.
Okay. Okay.
Yayithola. No. Yena because he's an established artist vele. Maka ngapost ukuthi bekasendaweni so abantu bazofuna ukuya next time yabona.
Makes sense.
Okay sure. Wena as an upcoming DJ ngozofika endaweni. Bayakunika mhlambe futhi la nala sengibeka phezulu boma 3.5 for an hour. Ne. Mabakunika le 3.5 acaba ngafika content creator aka DJ lo muntu akayenzi nix.
Okay.
Uzile ene ucelwe ile ndawo lokuthi azokala. Bayamnika boma 10, 15.
Lezi ezenza ama TikTok and everything.
Uyabona ukuthi last week I was about to say last week besino
So, yeah.
uba no Ligen Wayens yambona lentwana leyo Ligen Wayens
Okay.
we were with him last week ko ekoneni. Don't you think he was called there to come fill the place up?
For real?
Ama content creator no so wabiziwa ngathi remember that sikhuluma ngayo le ukuthi khona boshela abatshela ukuthi come fill up the place and then
Okay, Mariazi, you know why? Because I think Leo promotion there, I'm a content creator, reaches a bigger audience.
Than
Because
DJs.
obviously, ukuthi lo muntu uzenza content and uzenza ngendawo yakho, that's free marketing.
but then akayenzi content. Uyaposta kuphela ukuthi ngizabe ngise endaweni or
It's like
efonini.
influencer. So I'm a content creator, I'm an influencer.
Yeah, content creators are influencers. Mara you are an influencer
the
until you
thing
say
is,
you are an
okay.
influencer. Yeah. So that's the problem now. Ukuthi abo DJ abasabhatalwa sekubhatalwa laba manje.
And the DJ does the hardware.
Exactly.
Kuyajuluka lapha.
Lo muntu lo umsebenzi wakhe
Sathi
yena.
uyalifaka lithi gidi
Oh, speaking of, khona lo sis lo. Khona lo sis lo.
ubani?
Ngikhohle igama lakhe ne. Lo sis lo beka DJ. No. I-video yakhona i-title yakhona lapha kuma reels ngibona babhale what happened. Don't shy hash. Futhi la kusi hash.
Mara, have you noticed ukuthi with each and every season that is passing a piano,
Yeah.
and I mean season because we've been having a season.
Yeah,
and
there's
ukuthi
always seasons,
The way
man.
it evolve on piano.
Yeah.
DJs, like the DJing part, it's falling more to the female side than amachita. Khumbula masaqala piano abo DJ ababhaye kwamachita.
Yeah.
Understand?
Definitely.
But now I think I don't know, maybe it's the shift
It's the gender equality thing.
mara maye ni balance okay ni
But then by balance ngendlela wrong. You know why ne? Let's say uzobiza ngizoyenza example wrong
okay
ne.
ngicela ukubuza mina a paradise
Yeah.
but between the two eyiphi wena ozoya kuyo
Yeah.
makuza Sian Bougie or kuza
Mntu.
I'm trying to guess
Justin 99.
umuntu Wade.
I'd go to Wade. Personally I'd go to Wade.
No, wena ngifuna ukuthi beke in hindsight ukuthi shoot manje what do you
That's what I'm trying to do. I would go to Wade
okay
for certain reasons.
okay
In number.
okay
Now I don't go there for the indulging and the what and looking at Saint Pusha Tweka. No.
I need opinion. Slender. But a paradise kuza Wade
Ne.
or kuza usian Bush.
Usain Bush.
Who are you?
Okay, let's do it like this. No, aish, wena man. We are making an example.
Today.
Not today.
No, light mic.
Wait, yes.
Please light the mic usitshele.
Like
I want to get something, you understand? Which is
a
it
perspective.
I want to get your perspective. No, just nje igama kuphela. Askis for.
Yeah, man, female perspective yini kanti? Awasisho ukuthi uzovela eCameroon.
Ngicanga ukuthi ayini sikufaka on plus ngoba la.
Ndoda.
Faka lapha.
Switch on the mic, yes. So, but Paradise ne. There's 2 events, Saturday, Sunday. Wait,
Okay.
Une budget ilanga eli1. Ne? Saturday kuzu Wade. Ne? Sunday kuzu Usain Bush. Where are you going?
Wethu la malanga are available.
I'm going to wait.
Why? So basically you're going there for the music. Yeah, about lento ngisayisho.
Okay.
But now I would also go to Wade because Usain Bush ngempela tweka. That's
Thank you. You know what was my point? What you see online is not what actually people want.
Yeah.
Something they want you
No, it's
to
nice for the
like.
content and yeah. Ukubona mazodlula kuma reels Usain Bush atweka. Hey, yabo. That's it. Mara mazohlangana nayo ibheke kanje lento it's like ntwana like come on.
So-
Yanda unikhathele mfethu.
So mini point yami yokuthi
Hey nyadlala yo.
a lot of female DJs are getting bookings is wrong because still we still in the era which we prefer
There are
a
nice
male.
DJs out there, yabona. Bo Kicks no Leah they play.
Oh,
Mina I will always
yes.
advocate for those ones.
Okay.
Enkapi uzokushanga namba ntwana. Ethola like there are female DJs who do know their work, ne. And there's those social media DJs.
Khona-
Abo thula iphongolo. Oh, ngiyayiphinda futhi kaka.
Bro,
Emahlathi. Yo, yamazi thula iphongolo ntwana makadlala.
angaze ngimamela
Ngicela ukusendela mixtape ngizokurecommenda yazo. Khona imixtape yeli bekalishaya. Nice setting. Yabona if bukudlala mina nawe la. Mntwana bese ubulela yonke into.
Sibabulela.
Mahlathi. I gave you a task ukuthi yolalela uthula iphongolo maka DJ yana. Did you do it? You didn't.
Hlathi thile si.
Elias udlala ikaka mfethu. Yeah? Udlala ikaka lo yasisi mfethu. You know kaka?
But Joe, ilento ukuthi Joe, these honeys with
Uyala, my
bums
brother.
want to enter everything that has money.
No, I understand their
They
point
saw
of
the
view.
motion that it was with the DJs. Now they
Yes.
wanna enter.
Now
And
because
the genuine
DJs, yes.
female DJs.
because NKP took time ukuthi actually traction my
Joe,
brother. Because of
she went on
lento
a
le.
crowd.
Because yena she doesn't twerk, she doesn't do anything. Uyafika lapha DJ umntana abantu ashaya number aphume maqeda. Traction yakhe iza kancane. Because there are some people ababhekele mangithi NKP abazi nokuthi ubani loyo.
Moving on.
Hayi zanazo boy.
Ubonile Musa Khawula relevant. Joe, Musa Khawula is relevant.
Yazi Musa Khawula, yazi Musa Khawula king ntwana ne. Musa Khawula is the incarnation of Chris XL in real life.
Voice note, did you see ukuthi yenzile like bayuse ama screenshot waka Musa Khawula
For
for expose whatever that was happening ukuthi lo khulume utheni in because Musa Khawula was the first one to break his story saka Ket Matlala, so the screen grabbed that and put it on TV to make it as evidence ukuthi untwana.
So Musa is famous now.
Izinto as accused untwana.
So basically Umusa is the kumulile lokobhoza.
Yeah.
So Musa is dead now right now.
Yeah. Now take this ne. Musa Khawula was wrongfully arrested.
For what?
Ngakhohlwa ukuthi uyelo wahamba the time angazi he spoke something about uMbalula implicating him ngathi ngulento I don't know to the criminal world or something ngathi ukhuluma and then he got wrongfully arrested.
Oh no, it's not boy. Khuleka yeah.
He got wrongfully arrested ne. Now the take is untwana vele he was wrongfully arrested. That's the Joe for 6 months. Google ukuthi how much can you sue the state for if they wrongfully arrest you just for 1 day?
Voice note sakupa Google lento. Ne? Please Google that for us.
Joe, just for 1 day.
Askisi ne, yaxoxa zakalani.
You need to wait. Cameraman, I'm still good. We're rolling.
Oh,
You should continue.
this guy.
What are you saying?
How?
Continue.
What's going on?
Tell
Ntwana?
us, bra.
How?
Sekakuzukile.
Hey, yabona manje. We have to stop.
How much?
We have to stop drinking on the podcast. Aye man. Okay, yeah. Ngitshela ukuthi mina Googleeni lapho voice note.
How much can you sue the state for if you are wrongfully arrested?
80,000 rand a day.
A day. times 6 months.
Okay, asiceleni phansi. Yazi kwenzakaleni ndane. 14 million. Wait guys. Askis ne, askis.
Isn't it
I'm
1 point
gonna be
something?
ngicela ukuba
It's
off.
1.5.
Ngicela ukuba off topic kancane.
1.4 meter or something like that.
Epridi. Ngicela ukuba off topic kancane ne. Yazi kwenzakaleni ne. Yabona mangicubisa umlomo wami. Yazi ngicela ukukhumbulani. Ngicela ukukhumbula into leyo ukuthi konke bengifuna ukuyibuza. Why abelungu mangicubisa umlomo?
Bangacubisa umlomo.
Yeah, abelungu abacubisa umlomo ntanga.
Abo Karen.
Abo Karen dog. Abo Karen. Am I the only one that noticed this thing?
Abagcoba umlomo, you know why?
Yeah.
Because hair.
Can you please
Because hair.
You like it?
Because fur doesn't take up as much moisture as hair, so they don't get very dry because they've got fur, not hair.
But my lips are always dry, Joe. I feel like always into those like dead skin cells. Must have like lumin, and you have to shuba them. Yeah, but I feel like Joe. I'm like, I'm back. Next I used to go to a multiracial school
Yeah.
Bengifunda nabelungu ntwana bengihlangana nomlungu umlomo wakhe aqhubiswanga ntwana. Ngimpenga ngithi mara mariki ntwana man. Afetha ngazi notice lento le like sikazi. Abelungu aqhubisa umlomo ntwana. Mara ke
Like wena bofunana emalipsini wabelungu uthi inake lento leyo.
yazi kwenzakalani khona lo ngike ngaba busy naye yabo. But I can't say when because
Multiracial.
mina ntwana would phone with whatever race baba. Mexican wena yeah Cuban
Caucasian.
yeah yonke into boy. I don't mind ntwana. I speak every language if I have to.
Angithi
Yeah,
wena
forced.
ukhule ma-racial school.
Yeah, forced mfethu. Yeah, forced ayithola. So yeah, I don't mind.
Yeah.
Yeah, futhi kahle I prefer another race more than race yami.
Yeah.
Ayabo swidi bethu bengikhuluma nabanye bosisi ngapha next door izolo.
You shaming our black sisters.
I'm not shaming them. Ayabo sisi bethu, abosisi bethu.
Hi, bo. My brother.
I don't know. Mhlambe the chance would also feel it lento ngisho ntwana ne. But then abosisi bethu ntwana abasiphathi grand boy. Yabo bakhona labo nalabo aba grand ne. Amara khona bangasiphathi grand boy. Yazi inkinga bakuphi futhi ne la
Mina
boy.
bakhethile wena.
Mina bangithanga. Problem ilapho. Yeah.
Why Joe abogela othanda imali.
La. And it's not ungathi abogela.
Abogela
I-race yethu mfethu.
or black
Ngiba racist manje.
people.
Black people amaXhosa, amaTswana, amaZulu. You know in the beginning you could say amaTswana athanda imali and just leave it there. Now every yeah.
It's amaTswana yaloya. Is that true?
Namapedi.
But amaTswana wes.
Ut.
But amaTswana bana. Eh.
Awungalusithina. This is something it's public knowledge.
But
don't go to Limpopo.
yaloya.
Don't go to Limpopo.
But amaTswana yaloya.
Don't go to Botswana. amaTswana bathi bazoba ngikulona nangochukela. Mara asiphumela
Mara bengisengisho kuphela.
eh.
Uyayazi lento le?
Yeah,
Mara
I've heard it
angiyazi.
before, Fid. I've heard it before.
Angiyazi, Fid.
I would think I experience. But I've seen someone dlisa someone.
Hayibo.
It's Dlisa.
Wait, Zanas.
So
mayibona
I can't name drop, do.
azange sister man.
Ah,
He's strong.
yeah, I
Voice
can't.
note.
Voice note, what are you saying, my brother?
Calling pants.
I started in pants, yeah.
Uti, what are the police doing?
You're not clear. Yeah.
Am I clear?
This one is-
Phamisa voice.
Am I clear?
Yeah.
Uti, the police, what are the police doing?
Apparently, not even apparently, man.
Don't make noise.
Yeah, not even apparently, my brother.
What?
Ne. According to South Africa, Limpopo, I go grand, boy.
But saying is lightning.
Lightning we thola nge-R5 boy.
Emakhaya ubuya
Uyithenga uyifaka ngaphakathi kwe-plastic lesi Shoprite.
ubuya kuphi emakhaya?
Bese uyayithumela me I'm from Free State, dog. And apparently yona ilali history.
International.
International. Nina yini?
Lagos. Not Lagos, ne.
That is your mic on.
It's not loud enough.
My mic is on.
Speak, Baba, speak.
AI baba.
Ibe emlomong once, yeah.
Yeah, wena international kuba phela thina singagini lightning international.
Ngiyangazi. Don't put
So
me
when
in
you
class.
know
Like,
about
you didn't
this,
say
you know
me.
about the lightning thing. So we should
Hey,
get things
Joe.
available in Limpopo lightning.
Hey, mina ngizwile hearsay. I'm just relaying the message.
Emuna, Gwendal is everywhere.
Yeah, yes, it's everywhere. Marabar, it's popular in Limpopo. ba ro thola like ning ko khoneng jo
Free State.
kara plastic ya free ya Shoprite
Even in Free State, bra, you get.
ha like ning ayo ko free state njalo rona re rekisa stroke
Wait, what?
I'm here.
Yona serious?
I'm gone.
shang stroke boy asithengisa lapha ekoneni uthola umakhwabo wabana labo hlele ekoneni umkhukhu wakhe akana ndumba yena nomkhukhu
Like there's a lot. Hey, Joe.
Right.
Moving on to my.
oh yeah let's go back to
What are we
global
going
culture ne
to?
AI kumule we had the AI chat ne yeah mina uyehlisa makhuluma mina uyazi
Right,
na
so nyawazi yarasa.
Let's go back to the AI chat because we spoke about the AI chat 2 weeks yonke but then we couldn't konje ile ngoma yakho umsunga baba ne
There is some
confirmed.
element of AI. Abantu bakhulume ngayo. I saw it in some podcast as well.
yo ntwana so le ngoma le ya vele
I told you.
you did say because amaleli sokhona aya yeah because lo muntu lo she's not saying msunga baba
Akash, awuzwa ukuthini. Abantu bathi ngibambe duze ebusumnya baba. Angazi kanjani but
the only thing here is
yeah.
and then
But it's a vibe.
she sounds like Ushasha. Listen to the voice. That
Yeah,
voice
Ushasha-
sounds like
Ushasha
Ushasha.
sekayaperforma konje uyaperforma.
Yeah, sekabuyile vele sekabuyile.
Eka-perform.
She released last year nkere. She released last year.
Listen.
Konje yini igama lengoma yakhe?
Did you listen to it?
Yeah, it's nice.
Is it
Konje
nice?
beka phethu
Scale out
no
of 10?
out of 10. I'd give her a 6.
Solid.
Coming from where she came from.
Yeah,
It's a
phela lo
6
muntu
this
phela
one.
bakayitela.
Lo muntu beka 10, yeah.
say
For the
6.
quality, seka 6 no boy. Let me look for the name of the song, ne. So long. Right now the current song ntwana ngam guy 6. King na le check am tlakaso ro teng mo we pay the bills lona. Oh, la bala
Yakhuluma.
Bala so yini nje ukuthi ugesi ukhona. Yena amahlatsi wena. Oh. No, ntwana ushasho release last year. Let me check the name of the song fast. Sorry guys, asina effect check abahleli. Bayaphuza bemahabi.
While you still checking there, Joe, I was searching something, ne, and like I was scrolling through my phone,
Yeah,
and
yeah.
then something popped up that's interesting.
Okay.
Ntwana, can you guess what are the weirdest addictive things that people are addicted to?
Chippies.
Nah, you weird chippies.
Chippies
Wait,
weird.
You can be addicted to chippies.
Yeah.
Okay, a better one. Eating cottons. Cushy. Khona umuntu oyidlile direct bathi lo mchita lo udle like solo ayidla in a space of a year udle like a full 2
Amasofa?
couch, yeah. Couches.
Whoa. Asicaleni phansi.
Joe,
Asicaleni phansi. Whoa. Khona umuntu udla isofa.
yeah.
Equeen.
Yeah, uyayidla ngecushini uyayidla. Ngazi ukuthi process sakhe senza kanjani but yeah, it's stomach that
Oh, uno stomach sephiki loyo.
Hey Joe. Yeah, I think we are like
Yeah.
left with 6 minutes. You can make it an hour.
Yeah, no. Udla ikushini lo muntu.
Cushy.
Yo. Mahlatsi. Yo.
Joe, khona abantu abadla aba addicted like Joe. But it's weird addictions, man. No, man. 15 minutes left. Okay. Is it addiction? No, there's a name for it. Like listen, there's weird umuntu azithandayo. What's the word for it? There's a word for it, man. Like nalento ukuthi like we enjoy like the smell of gasoline. Yeah, some people can't stand-
Uzethi.
There's a word for it, dog.
Yeah, hayi.
You just call it weird.
Uzethi, yeah.
Yeah, but khona abantu futhi
Konje yini le shit.
Khona
Ila
abantu-
le nto ntwana. Oh.
njengale
Shit.
cushion leya lo mchita idle.
Yeah, ngoba namaqeda ukudla something bomauli bese lokuthi ila ntwana.
But yeah, dog,
Uzethi file, yeah.
khona abantu addicted to toilet paper, dog.
Oh, Ntwana, I
Eating
was wrong.
toilet
Ne?
paper,
Oh,
dog.
let's go back to. I was wrong. Ushasha didn't release last year. It was last year. Late. Igama la indawana. The
Uzoyenza
track
ukuthi
track yakhona
abantu
indawana.
babe nento.
It was.
Angawari. After easy hour.
Guys, yeah. After guys.
Kunesana,
On that
so-
note, ne, from now on, masiqeda ukushoota ne. Sishaya ama session bafethu. So we gonna be mara izoba mnandi masina ama guest abo DJ mostly yabo.
Yeah.
Yeah, izoba mnandi lapho. But then so far so good in popana na spinach nizoba grand ngawari. You're in good hands, gents.
Yes.
You're in good hands.
Experimenta
Yeah.
ngani bantu bethu. Sibabizana abochila nami.
Abochila nami. Abonami ntwana.
Ah, nani.
What? Oh, yabona.
Ama-ghost angama-home.
Yabona ke. Inkinga yena zini nikhuluma nathi i-mic inibhekile lapha nikhuluma nathi abanizwa. Nizwa yithi kuphela. I still recording my brother.
No, it's recording, but I'm seeing ukuthi ishaya ngu-red da. So endaweni voice yakho dog. Yeah, it's really loud.
Oh, why sesirasa manje?
Yeah, like
Voice note, wait to ring. I get we doing sessions afterwards.
yeah.
What's it, sorry, man?
Tsirima.
DJ Oka obvious, Popeye and Spinach, the main
Oh,
characters.
yeah.
Main characters, you know, my brother.
Kuna DJ Ghosty.
Lihu.
Liho.
I can't.
Oh.
But yeah, on.
Fit.
Small the voice note.
No, guys, nah. This is when inside. Hey.
What?
No, in things I show we're gonna be doing this very, very often.
Yeah.
Yeah.
We will try
we
to
actually
push
have to
it,
announce
to
it.
be
But,
consistent
Yeah.
and all. Please. Okay, we can't say please pull through. Yeah? Often
Yeah.
pull through.
Hey.
Speak there. You can speak. Just tell us.
Woo, let's go back to another thing. Ne?
Okay.
Let's go back to another thing.
to
How are we gonna
wrap
wrap it up? Local heat fair in the streets. According to-
soap, I just have to put it out there.
Abantwana uthe cotton, tissue,
Soap.
soap. None
Smelling
food.
petrol.
Yeah?
Eating ash.
Okay, ash I know. Angithi ifana nomhlabathi.
Ash.
Ash.
Isn't it ash?
Ash, yeah, ifana nomhlabathi. Ifana nomhlabathi.
Khona
Umhlabathi.
edlayo?
Khona umhlabathi lo odliwayo, cha umhlabathi lothengisayo mos.
Oy ash.
Khona-
You know what ash
listen,
is?
Listen.
Nyawazi
Umhlabathi.
nyawazi
It
umhlabathi.
tastes the same, more or less.
So we got taste the ash.
Yeah.
Why dog?
Bengiborekile. Yehabli. Charcoal.
So
Bese mponsini yabo.
Oh,
Mangiqeda ukubamba ngato. Ayina taste to it. It's just yazi ngathi yini ne? Have you yazi yini lengi enjoy kakhulu? Have you ever ko uzimvula mayinetha? And uzwe ismell se
somhlabathi.
Yeah.
Yo.
No, you can come close,
Just
I can
feel
see.
like wait. Sigubhu shiba shinene.
Oh yeah. Definitely no.
can see that.
Exe who dropped lapho, yeah.
Oh, excellent.
Yeah. And it didn't come with it, ne?
No, I tried checking. I didn't. Oh, Mara, we can check. What you can come up with something.
Okay, no, I'm still here. More DJs are entering the podcasting and YouTube lanes, Mafetu. What's going on? Spanasik.
You know, the one thing that trends.
We are one of those.
Yeah, understand.
Yeah.
One
Like you
thing that
just,
trends
like you
and
just
that-
said, influencers are getting paid more than DJs, guys. And I told you, remember on one of the episodes that didn't drop. What did I say? There's nothing like relationship content. Relationship content, most South Africa buy German.
Yeah. Man, it's not just South Africa, the whole world, sure. The whole world.
Everyone. I'm not saying put your relationships on blast, no.
Yeah.
But like if you put your relationship, Babo no, I wanna be like Khati to the T and Smang. They eat it up quickly, guys. So like I said, influencers make more money now.
Yeah. What, Putsu, do you have something to say now? Hey, sweet.
What
Let's note.
I'm about to say is, if you advertise your relationship, we wanna join. Karige life cover, my brother.
That's the most random voice note we get from this podcast. Always.
No, I wanna sweet I'm saying, but that's you, Vela, sweet. So, yeah,
I'm trying to check, bro.
Exe. Mina ngibe ne sound yakhona la. Exe who drop lapho.
No, yazi young two silent say who dropped lap. You have to be honest. There's a guy on Twitter. This guy always posting on my Friday who takes say who drops lap. So yeah. So if we wanna use it, we can tell him go to Cash App.
Yeah, we'll talk about it. We'll talk about it.
We can even make a relationship.
Yeah, no, we associate. Yeah.
We associate. You understand?
No, we'll
talk
definitely
about
do that. Yeah.
smart.
Yeah.
I think we
Very
should do
smart.
that, yeah.
Kube uyoshela.
Yeah, ngikhulume ngaye. I'll try to talk to him.
Now let's get abantu abadropile again because I think there's a lot of people who drop.
you can
Yeah, I'm
check.
googling
Okay,
it. I'm
Google
googling
it,
it. I think a lot of people dropped.
Today's episode was nice, ne?
Very nice, Bafetu. What do you think about today?
Tribe Soul, Batuche.
Oh, J. Cole. Oh, that's why I was khulume ngayo. Hey Nina. I'm a J. Cole fan.
Joe, the voice note there, the voice note mic is there.
You could have just
guys to help out.
phakamisa mic usho ukuthi yo guys J. Cole dropped like how. Oh yeah, J. Cole dropile my brother. Angayilaleli. Anyone who listens
Is it
to
nice?
Anyone?
Scale out of 10.
Now ilalela.
Scale out.
Okay, you suggested J. Cole my brother. Thathi mic usho J. Cole drop it. Oyimamela.
It's 5. Scale out of 10. 5.
Jaco dropped the fall off.
The Fall Off, yeah. And
Wait, is that the name? Is that
the name of the album? Yes. And
Wait,
Drake and Kendrick are included.
Like
I think.
the same thing.
a solid-
Gucci thinking.
Yeah, it's the Fall Off. It is. No, what he was doing there, it was that.
It's a solid.
Solid 8.
7 out of 10, boys. 7 out of
When
10.
when you're saying 7, Donna is saying 8.
Eight.
But
Wait,
now I
wait,
think,
wait,
okay,
wait,
wait, guys, ne, Kopa what's on to one? I want to ask one thing. Is it true Gucci, Drake and Kendrick are also included in the album?
Cap.
Cap.
Oh.
Fair.
Okay.
Allegations
Allegations cleared.
cleared fast in Twana, fast. Because someone said
The
Gucci.
allegations are cleared. Proudly brought to you
Ingaki
by
namhlanje?
Popeye and Spinach.
Oh, konje we can't say Crystal Pear anymore. I miss Crystal Pear, Kav.
Yeah, it was a nice.
Eish. Nah, I miss it in Twana. But then,
Hey,
but
Joe, we didn't even check. Where's Nick, bruh?
Nick is
That's
not
the
around
one
today.
that's in
Uncle. He's not around.
Bengazi ukuthi why he wasn't even.
He's
around.
working.
Oh, he's working.
Yeah, he's working,
Okay,
boy.
shout out.
Angithi nasisebenzi thina
Really
unemployed.
my pride.
Angithi-
Next, what?
Angithi nas unemployed.
Bruh, move this thing.
Which
this
one?
thing. I hope this thing is not making noise.
As long as-
Yeah, okay.
Eh,
We have to wrap it up.
the droppings. At
The
least
droppings.
recent droppings. I think
Slender, when are you going to join us again?
lo uthe yena umshado wakhe umshado uphelile mzuzu.
Damn.
Umshado uphelile.
Khona omunye ubhuti ophakamisa izandla in rejoicing to that. In rejoicing to that.
Because they told me about this in shadow last week.
Exact.
So now I'm like,
The mic baba. Aish.
Sakapuzukile.
Tata.
Please make sure the
Ah,
cameras are rolling, my brother. You can puzu.
Hey, Tata, they told me about this relationship last week.
Mntwana,
It's been 7 days. Now shine.
Exact.
Come on.
ngathi ungena kwi new relationship ne week nje.
Okay,
New week, new you, new
week.
boyfriend.
lento le yacavi yenzani ne? Google is not reliable,
Yeah,
guys.
it's not ngibo.
Yazi ngibonise no, engibonisa itobetsa, engibonisa mabebuza. Come on, dog. Nah, guys,
Okay,
we'll actually have to make sure ukuthi sihlala sinazo lezi zinto.
Yebo.
It's been nice.
It's been nice.
Any news you wanna drop before? Because I have things I have to say.
Of my mind.
Yeah, top of your mind, anything that you have.
Bala. Yazi le njalo ya.
Literally, who doesn't know that talk, man?
Oh!
Isha kabani le?
Oh, coming back. Zeka.
Iyo le njalo leyo, boy. Akuthi lenza kaso. Angazi like le njalo leyo. Yazi le njalo leyo ikenzakalani ngane? Le njalo leyo yinja nje yami. Yinja boy. Wait, okay. Kubeka fere uthini?
Oh, coming back to AI, dog. What's with this thing that's trending? Yabantu abayenza ama-prompting, sending their pictures to AI. Ukuthi angazi promote. Is it promoting business yabo or whatever?
Oh, yeah,
Trending right
dala
now,
bayenza
I'm
vele,
really
yeah.
scared of that thing. I don't think that's a good idea.
Dala
Sending-
bayenza
I
vele.
know ukuthi maybe probably AI can have access to your pictures and stuff, but willingly so sending your pictures to AI, I think that's really.
Yeah, mara ngeke usende
Guys,
ipicture nekuku kuzenzakalani? Hawu.
Siyazi AI izoyenza umhlaba wayo ukuthi nayi kuku ka stuff.
Sitaleleni phansi, angeke usende ikuku mfethu. Hawu.
Kulo mhlaba wayo creator izothi nayi kuku ka stuff.
Oh, from seeing me.
You understand?
Oh!
My analogy ukuthi like
Oh, but
Mouse
vele
send-
AI can do that, Ankiri.
Mouse sender like willingly so
Yeah.
actually signing up ukuthi maybe inga create its own digital world. It creates a whole you, a whole personal because already Mawuthatha phone
Okay, that does make
scroller,
sense, yeah.
feeding the algorithm, everything you're feeding it.
Yes.
It's your being.
Hayi, bafethu from Popeye and Spinach. No. Is it deep kakhulu lento fethu.
I thought so.
Oh, Popeye and Spinach bayadlala ngi7 zakamatch bafethu.
Ain't domain.
Ain't
Bathini, lift of
entertainment
chillers.
domain. Yeah, lift of chillers bafethu.
Chillers unzima, ne?
Chilla nami, chilla nathi, khona chilla nathi
Chilla
angithi.
nathi.
Yonke into boy.
Ama-Dogger Nights essay.
Podcast and chill. Yonke into. So yeah, shushubiza mfethu. You can take us out, yabo.
Ayikho
Siyakwazi
into
wena
efeyila
ke.
inochilla.
Unokurasa wena. Khona lento yakho uzishale.
So from your power is
Popeye no Spinach bafethu. Nangu hlathi today is
Sarah.
taking us out.
siyabonga.
Nazo, I was waiting for that. I was waiting for it. It's a rap.